Hi you guys, it's Jizzy aka JB's Super Cool. You know I like to always say we're blessed and we never stress. Thank you guys for tuning back into the channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, I will be finally bringing you an inside look of Spacey. I do apologize that I never showed you guys the engine, but today is the day. My girl just got her fresh oil change, so she's feeling herself right now, you know. But she will be getting her power steering fluid looked at today later on. But I just wanted to show you guys the engine since I never got a chance to do that. So let's get right into the video. And she's not 100% on, so I have to cut her all the way on. There we go. Now she's on. Let me cut the air off real quickly. No device connected. My phone is in my pocket, so it's gonna connect in a second, so you guys can see that. And let me cut the music down since it'll probably try to cut on some music and we do not want that. See? That's what I'm saying. Alright, so here we go, you guys. Last time you seen my car, I had a bunch of notifications on here. I got my tire fixed, put some air in my tire, and I, like I said earlier, did get my oil change. So my oil is at 100%. Yay! But you guys didn't come to see about my oil. You don't care about my oil. You don't care about my tire getting fixed. What you came to see is the engine. So let's get right into it. So of course down here, all the way down here, I gotta pop that hood. Gotta pop that hood. So let's go ahead, pop this hood and get right into it. Alright you guys, so that is how the engine looks inside. I hope that you guys love this video. Let me go ahead and cut this bad baby off. She is dirty right now. Haven't had a chance to give her a good bath recently, so she is dirty. But I'm going to go ahead and cut her off right now. Bam. So, I'm going to cut her off. You'll see. Bye-bye to Spacey for now. Okay, you heard the lock, and then give me about... Okay, she just locked. Alright, guys. So, you guys, that was a first look at my 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport engine. If you guys love that video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments you may have. It's Jizzy, aka JB's Super Cool. You know I'm always blessed and I'm never stressed. Peace.